Today I'm going to try packing the Azub Origami into the Tern Airporter Slim suitcase. The suitcase I got from their website, and it comes with this piece here that's kind of a thick plastic that velcros in against the bottom to kind of prevent anything from hitting the bottom of the suitcase, and then also this kind of three-tiered padding to pack kind of between things. And I'll show you all I really need to do to pack it. I'm going to remove the boom with these quick releases on the front, and then I'm going to take the wheels off. Right now the rear wheel is a different kind of drivetrain that I'll be using when I tour. I just need to release the two brakes, take the wheels out, and then I may need to also remove the handlebars, all of which is easy to do, which you should be able to see here in the video. it fits. So the wheels are just set on top. Everything else was just folded and put inside. And having packed up Bacchetta Giro in a cardboard box several times, I can tell you that it took me a lot more time than this to pack up the Bacchetta, and I really disassembled it about the same amount. So this is a pretty sweet setup, and if anyone wants to know, yes, it does fit in a suitcase, especially if you order a mesh seat. I think if you use the composite seat, you could fit it in. There is a bolt down here that holds the two pieces of the frame together, and I think if the two pieces of the frame were disassembled and laid next to each other, that there would be ample space to fit it in, because there's certainly plenty of extra room in here if you're going to stick your helmet in here or something like that. But it's a super simple process. It looks like it took me less than 10 minutes to do.